In this video I will show you how to get rid of blackheads naturally. The tiny little black dots on your nose and face can be overwhelming, especially when they seem to appear overnight. In reality, blackheads are a result of the pollution in the air, the dust flying and settled in the surrounding and the stress of daily life. They occur due to clogged skin pores when these pores accumulate dust, dead skin cells, and oil. One of the most common methods used for blackhead removal is squeezing them out, but the pain one feels during the process is too high a price to pay. Also, blackheads contain bacteria which can affect the tissues in the surrounding skin. We bring you some of the best natural remedies using easy ingredients and methods to blackheads removal, cleanse your pores and also improve the skin. You must ensure that when you are trying any remedy at home, try a patch test first. Also, do not scrub your skin excessively, which will damage it. How can lemon and honey help in blackhead removal? Lemon and honey for blackhead removal. Citric acid is effective for unclogging your pores and can make your skin smoother, thus removing blackheads. The citric acid in the lemon juice will have a similar effect on your skin. Honey has excellent antibacterial and cleansing properties. The sugar in the mix will work as a scrub to exfoliate your skin. What to do? You need to mix a tablespoon of honey with a tablespoon of raw honey. To that, add a tablespoon of sugar crystals and mix well. Immediately apply it on areas of your skin which are affected by blackheads. You will have to leave it on for at least 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off gently with warm water. If you rub hard when washing your face, it will cause irritation. How should you do it? Initially you can do it every day for a few days until your skin clears up. Then, to keep up the routine, try and do it once a week, to keep your skin free of blackheads. Tip: make this scrub fresh when you have to use it. Letting it stand will cause the sugar to melt. How can aloe vera gel help in blackhead removal? Aloe vera gel for blackhead removal. Aloe vera has natural properties in abundance and works as a cooling agent for the skin. It has also become a very popular skincare ingredient over the years. It is soothing for the skin and works well for cleansing pores and blackhead removal. And the added advantage is that it controls the natural oil, sebum, production in the skin, thus preventing the development of new blackheads. What to do? Freshly extracted gel works best for this. Apply the freshly extracted gel gently over your face. You don't have to selectively apply it on affected areas since it will do good to your skin anyways. After about 10 to 15 minutes, rinse it off with warm water. How often? Since aloe vera gel is not known to have any side effects, you can do this on a daily basis. If you don't have the time, you can do it thrice a week. Tip: in case you don't have access, you can use a store-bought product. Can Fenugreekmethi work for blackhead removal? Methi leaves have excellent properties not only when consumed, but also for the skin. It is known to cure digestive problems and increase the production of milk in lactating mothers. It is a powerful antioxidant and also known to soothe inflammation on the skin, and clear blackheads as well as whiteheads. What to do? Select the freshest leaves you can find in the market. Take a cup of the leaves, wash them thoroughly and grind the leaves with some water into a thick smooth paste. Apply this paste on your face and rinse it off with warm water after about 10 or 15 minutes. After rinsing it off, dab it dry with a soft towel and apply moisturizer. How often? You can use this treatment on a weekly basis. Tip: on days that you can't find fresh methi leaves in the market, you can use methi seeds. You can also soak them overnight before using them. Will coconut oil work for blackhead removal? Coconut oil for blackhead removal. It's one of those universal ingredients that have multiple health benefits, including several for the skin. Coconut oil contains lauric acid, a strong antimicrobial agent that destroys the bacteria that cause blackheads and acne. For those who suffer from dry skin, it has a moisturizing effect on the skin. What you can do? There is no preamble to the process, you can use the oil directly from the bottle. Take a few drops on your palms, apply it on your face, and massage it in with gentle strokes. If you don't have any plans after you apply the oil, then there's no need to rinse it off, since the skin will quickly absorb it. In case you want to rinse it off, you can after 15 minutes, with a mild face wash and lukewarm water. How often? If you have dry skin, you can use if twice or thrice a week, and more often in winters. If you have oily skin, avoid this treatment as I increase the sebum levels. Tip. For best results, use virgin coconut oil, and leave it overnight on your skin. Can blackheads be removed with apple cider vinegar? Apple cider vinegar for blackheads removal. Apple cider vinegar is excellent for removing blackheads. It has a strong antimicrobial effect, which effectively makes it eliminate even some of the most dangerous bacteria. What to do? Take a few drops of apple cider vinegar on a cotton ball or pad and gently dab it on the affected regions of your face. Once it dries, in about 15 or 20 minutes, you can rinse it off with warm water. How often? It has numerous skin benefits, so you can use apple cider every day until your skin clears up. Then, to keep up with the routine, you can use it once a week to keep up with the routine. Tip. Don't forget to apply lotion after washing it off, so keep your skin moisturized. How can turmeric and mint juice work for blackhead removal? Turmeric and mint juice for blackhead removal. It is age-old Indian wisdom that turmeric is a great healing agent with antiseptic properties. It is antimicrobial in nature and removes the bacteria present in the skin's pores, thereby eliminating blackheads. It is also known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and for improving the quality and the texture of the skin. Mint juice has a cooling effect on the skin and soothes it. How to do it? Mix a tablespoon of pure turmeric powder with 2 tablespoons of fresh mint juice, to form a smooth paste. Apply this paste on the affected areas for 10 to 15 minutes and then rinse it with lukewarm water. Once you rinse it off, do not forget to moisturize the skin. How often? You can safely use this remedy once a week. Tip. If you do not have mint leaves handy or don't have the time to make fresh mint juice, you can use milk instead. Will tomato pulp help in blackhead removal? Tomato pulp for blackhead removal. This is a remedy with a difference since tomatoes have natural antibacterial properties that dry up blackheads. It is also known for its strong antioxidant properties and removes a lot of damaging elements from the skin. What to do? Peel and mash a soft red tomato and apply the pulp over the areas affected with blackheads. If you have very sensitive skin, either dilute the pulp with water or use another method. You need to leave it on for at least 30 to 45 minutes before rinsing it off with warm water. How often? You can safely do this every day, but if you lack the time, at least try doing it thrice every week. Tip. For best results, apply the pulp before going to bed, and leave it overnight, washing it off only in the morning. Can green tea offer a natural way for blackhead removal? Green tea for blackhead removal. Extremely rich in antioxidants, green tea is known to clear up your skin, giving it a natural and healthy glow. It also is known for absorbing impurities when applied to the skin, thereby clearing blackheads effectively. What you need to do: grind 1 teaspoon of dry green tea leaves with a tablespoon, or a few drops more, of water to make a paste. Apply this paste over the affected areas, rinsing it off within 15 or 20 minutes with warm water. Moisturize immediately after drying the skin. How often? You can start with twice a week, and when the skin clears up, you can continue with the routine once a week. Tip. Use a small mortar and pestle to make a coarse paste which works effectively. Will strawberry pulp help in blackhead removal? Strawberry pulp for blackhead removal. Yes, along with being really delicious, they are well suited to remove blackheads. Strawberries are high in antioxidants, and they cleanse blocked pores. Due to the seeds, the pulp also works as a natural exfoliant. What to do? Crush a soft red strawberry and mix half a teaspoon of honey and half a teaspoon of lemon juice with it. Apply this paste for 15 to 20 minutes before rinsing it off with tap, room temperature, water. How often? It can be done once a week. Tip. You can use strawberry pulp by itself or natural milk cream, malai, as well. How can baking soda help to remove blackheads? Baking soda for remove blackheads. Baking soda, apart from working well in your kitchen, is also a known antibacterial and antifungal agent. In addition, it makes for an effective remedy for blackhead removal and works as a great skin exfoliant as well. It works well to keep pimples away. What to do? Mix 1 tablespoon of baking soda with 2 tablespoons of water to make a fine paste. Apply this paste over the affected areas, washing it off with lukewarm water after about 15 to 20 minutes. Don't forget to moisturize immediately after. How often? You can start doing it every day, and then come down to twice or thrice a week once the skin clears up. Tip: add a few drops of lemon to the baking soda paste, better effect. Will oatmeal scrub assist in blackhead removal? Oatmeal scrub for blackhead removal. Exfoliation plays a great role where removal of blackheads is concerned. Exfoliation removes the dead skin cells from their roots. For this purpose, oatmeal is an excellent ingredient since it has anti-inflammatory properties. You can mix as with a variety of things, like milk, yogurt, lemon juice and water, or lemon juice and honey, or olive oil. What to do? Mix 2 tablespoons of ground oatmeal with 2 tablespoons of plain yogurt. Add to this a few drops of lemon juice and a teaspoon of olive oil. Apply this on your entire face as the ingredients have some great properties for the skin. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes and then wash it off with cold water. How often? You can do this twice or thrice a week. Tip: you can substitute the oatmeal with ground almond powder, wheat bran, or even chickpea flour, besan. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell.